Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.